8 lab, right? Because number 7 is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we will be designing a 4-bit adder. Acha, let me talk with Enayat, right? EA. Enayat, are you Enayat?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Sir, not fine now. I have eye infection. That's why I am not submit your assignment.
Okay. তোমার তাহলে আই ইনফেকশন শেষ হলে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট গুলো সব সাবমিট করব, ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir. কারণ
Okay.
আমাকে হলো আগামী প্রায় 1 মাসের মতো চোখের ইয়াতে অফ করে রাখতে হবে বেশিরভাগ সময়, মানে কভার করে রাখতে হবে, এই জন্য সমস্যা।
ঠিক আছে, then when you become fine before the final you must submit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Muraz,
Yes, sir.
did you give us? See, this is the lab number 8 that is designing a 4-bit adder. So we'll be designing a 4-bit adder that can add 2 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers. Successfully use a user symbol in the schematic. In our lab number 7, we developed what? We developed one symbol, right? Remember the symbol?
স্যার এই সিম্বলটা তো করার কিভাবে করব সেটা তো দেখো।
হ্যাঁ, গতদিনে যে ল্যাবের যে ইয়ে আছে, যে ভিডিও আছে, সেই ভিডিওটা দেখো। মুরাজ দিছে মেবি, রাইট? মুরাজ, you have given
Yes, sir.
the video?
Sir. Yes, sir. Published, sir.
ওই ভিডিওটা দেখো, ল্যাবের ভিডিও দেখো। So we made a symbol. Today we will use that symbol. So to successfully use a user symbol in the schematic to construct a 4-bit adder. So we will design a 4-bit adder to check the functionality of the design using simulator. And the later part we will do it later, not now. After 4, 5, and 6 lab number. So what is a 4-bit adder? 4-bit adder, let's say you have 2 numbers. 2 numbers, each of them had 4 bits. Each of them have 4 bits, right? 4 bits. So one number that is A, another number that is B. Your A is A3, A2, A1, A0. That means let's say it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? 4 bits. And B, it is also 4 bit. Let's say it is 1, 1, 0, 1. Got my point? So B3, B2, B1, B0. So 4 bits, 2 numbers. So we will add this 2 number using a circuit. So remember here, look at this. Your one number is A, that is A3, A2, A1. Another number is B, that is B3, B2, B1, and B0. So when you add them at the beginning of your addition, you do not have anything in your hand, right? No carry. You do not have anything in your hand. Only what? Only 2 bits, right? A0 and B0. A0 and B0. If you add them, the result will be sum. Now here, you can use half adder or you can use full adder. If you use full adder, 1 digit is fixed, empty, right? You can use 0 here. Okay. So I will explain what I mean by this. A0, B0, that become S0 if you add them, and you have a carry that is C0 that is in your hand. That will go to where? That will go to the next place, right? C0, A1, B1. If you add them together, your result will be S1. Now look at this. Here you have three inputs, right? 3 inputs. That means it is a full adder. So C0, A1, and B1. The result is S1. And the carry, that means whatever you have in your hand, that is C1. That will go to the what? Go to the next place. So C1, A2, and B2. If you add them, S2. C2 is the carry. That will go to the next place. C2, A3, B3. Addition is S3. Your result is C3. If you add them together again, this will go to the next place. But next place doesn't have anything. So what will happen? This will directly come in front of the result, right? So let me do an example for you. Then you will understand more. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 1. That is the number I explained earlier. Now addition. Look at this. If I add them, what is the result? 1 plus 1. What is the result? Do you have anything here? Do you have anything in front in your hand?
No, sir.
See,
No, sir.
in the other places you have three inputs, right?
Yes, sir.
But at the beginning you do not have anything, right? Remember, at the beginning you do not have anything, so you do not have anything. So 1 plus 1 plus, what is the result? 1 0, right? 1 0. So 0 is the result, but you have what? You have one extra 1, right? That one will go where? Here, right? That one will go where? Here. Understood, everyone? Now, next one. If you add this 1 plus 1 plus 0, what is the result?
1.
Plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0. Result ki? Do you have it? It will be 2. 1 plus 1 plus 0. It will be 2. 2 means 1 0. 2 means 1 0. বুঝতে পারছি? সাইদুল বুঝতে পারছো? 1 plus 1 plus 0 মানে 2. 2 মানে হচ্ছে 1 0. 1 0. So 0 will be the result.
Yes, sir.
And in front of the 0 you have 1. This one, where it will go? It will go to the next place. Understood? So if you add this 3, 1 plus 1 plus 0, what is the result? 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is the result. The result 3. 3 means what? 1 1,
One.
right? So 1 1. So last one will be here. The first one, it is here. It will go where? Next place, here. Understood? So now look at this. 1 plus 1 plus 1,
Yes, sir.
3. So 1 will be here. Another one, the first one, will go where?
Carry
Will
on.
go to the first place. That means here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now finally this is your result. 1 1 1 0 0. That is your result. So this is how you should do. Now what is the algorithm of the what is that, the circuit? It will be like this. You have 4 bits. You have 4 bits, so you need 4 full adders. Here you need a full adder. Here you need a full adder. Here you need a full adder. Here you might need a full adder, or you can use a half adder. You have only 2 input, 2 output. You can use half adder. But for sake of argument, we will use full adder here, not half adder. Okay, we will use full adder. Why? Because we want to convert this circuit to something else later. That time we need full adder, not half adder. Half adder will not work. That's why we will use full adder. And since this place is empty means khali, we will put a 0 here. Okay, by default. So 4 full adder. 1 2 3 4. 4 full adder. Now let's design the circuit. I'm going to the software. Okay, can you see this? See
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
I want to make the full adder first here. So at first, what you need to insert your symbol that you made. Remember FADD27 from our previous lab. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to place it. Understood, everyone? Okay, this is the full adder. So I need 4 of them. So I'm going to copy it. Here is the copy button. Here you have a copy. So click it, go up. For what? Your 4 what? Your 4 full adders are here. So we need inputs. So how can I do the input? Here. 1 2. Wait a second. Now here we need inputs, right? So input 1 2 3 4. Since it is 4 bit, so we need 4 bit. This is for A. This is for what? A. That means let's say this is your A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay. So how can you write that? We double click this one and we will write A3 like that. A2, A1, A0. Understood? Now we need 4 inputs for B as well. So I'm going to just copy it. So this is our B. Then double click, I'm going to write B3. Okay. Double click, I'm going to write B2, B1, B0. Understood? 4 inputs for A, 4 inputs for B. So as a whole, this is one number. This is another number. Okay. In one number, you have 4 digits. In another number, you have 4 digits. That means 4 inputs, 4 bits actually. Now I'm going to add them. So how can I add them? Remember the algorithm here. A0 and B0, they will be in one adder, right? A0 and B0, they will go to one adder. Let's say, okay. So let's connect them together. So B will go to the B and A will go to the A. Okay. So here, look at this. Here you have A0. Here you have B0. So what we have in our result, if we add A0 and B0 in our result, what do we have? What we have in our result, right? C0 and S0, right?
Yes, sir.
C0 and S0. So we are going to write that here. So this is our C0 and this is our S0. So C0 and this is our S0. Now, one more thing, where the C0 will go? Where the C0 will go? C0 will go to the next place, right? That means A1 and B1. A1 and B1. C0 will go to the next place with A1 and B1. So where the A1 will go? So A1 will go at first the B. This is the B. So B1 will go to the next full adder. A1 will go to the next full adder. So this is your A1 and B1. Okay. So C0 should go with them, right? C0 should go with A1 and B1. How? In this place. Understood?
Yes,
In
sir.
this place, C0 should go. So let's connect the C0. Like that. Okay. Now, what are you going to get here? You are going to get C1 and S1. Okay. So this one will be for A2 and B2. This is your B. This will be your A2. Now with A2 and B2, you should have what? You should have what? Can you see? You should have what? With A2 and B2, what should you have? C1, right? You should have C1. So this C1 should go in this place. So we are going to connect that. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, B3 will go here. B3 will go there. So it is A3, B3, and your C2 will go in the next place. You can understand. Like that. And finally, your result is there. So you have 5 results. One is this one. Another one is this one. Next is this one. Then you have this one. And you have one more result, right? C0. C0 will be your result as well. So we are going to use LEDs. So S0, S1, S2, S3. This is what? This is, you can say, okay, this is C4, or you can call it S5. Okay. Now let's test it. Let's test. So our result was 1, 1, 1, 1. Our test case. Oh, by the way, one more case. One more thing we have we made a mistake. That is, this pin is empty, right? Right. This should be 0, right? I told you before, we do not have anything in our hand, so this should be 0. So I'm going to connect a ground here. Now 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So what is your result? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. You got your result? Hello, you got your result?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you should do it. Now I want you to modify it. I want to use a instead of binary. That means in place of binary, I will use hexadecimal.
গ্রাউন্ড হবে নাকি স্যার?
হ্যাঁ, এটা গ্রাউন্ড করে, কারণ এটা 0। কেন 0? দেখো, এই যে এখানে 0, আমাদের হাতে কিন্তু কিছু ছিল না, এখানে কিছু ছিল? আমাদের প্রথম বিটে কিছু ছিল? Nothing was there, right? So we consider a 0. So 0 plus something, right?
Yes, sir.
আমাদের হাতে যেটা কিছু ছিল না, জন্য আমরা 0 ধরে নিছি। এই জন্য আমাদের গ্রাউন্ড করতে হবে এটাকে। Now look at this. We aim to change the binary into hexadecimal, and as well as this binary output at hexadecimal. Okay. So how to do that? I'm going to cancel them. Then I'm going to use this hexadecimal keypad. This one. And this one. Double click. This is our A. Pin name. Double click. Okay. This is your P. Pin names. Double click again. So A3, A2, A1, A0, B3, B2, B1, B0. Right? Now they become hexa. Now I want to change these LED as well. I want to use this hexadecimal display. Now, the problem with the display is what? The problem with the display is it has only 4 bits, right? So, but our result is 5 bit. So, what is the problem? Problem is only 4 bit will go to the result. Another 1 bit will need another display. Another bit will need another display. So, only this pin will be connected. But the problem is, if you keep something open, the result will be like black and white color. So what you have to do, you have to make them connected and make them ground, because we are not using them. If we are not using any pin, we have to make what?
Grounded.
Exactly. Oh. We have to make them grounded if we do not use any. If we do not use any pin, we have to make them grounded. Now here, look at this, right? Now the display is fine. Now I want to add 9 plus 7. Your result is right. 9 plus 7, 10. Equal to 10, right? Can anyone explain what happened here? Give me 1 minute and you explain.
Hexadecimal, sir.
Hexadecimal. It wait karo. Hexadecimal. So how do I know that? Here, look at this. Right here. So if I go to the base mode, that means base N 4. If I click 4, I have to go to the. 7 hexadecimal result is 10, right? 10. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. If you want to see this in decimal, it is also possible. How to do that? I want to change the display from here to advanced. Here is an advanced. Here you have an 8-bit display. I'm going to bring it. This is our 8-bit display. I'm going to connect it, but see this. What happened here? Right now you have to change it because before the pin was like this. Pin was a bit separated. The one was separated, but here you do not have any separation. That's why you need to change this again. You need to make it from here serially. And this tree will be what? Grounded. Now all you to see this. Again, it is hexadecimal. 9 plus 7, it should be 10. It is 10. But once I double click and change the hexadecimal to unsigned in decimal, you can see the result in decimal. So 9 plus 7, result will be 16. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. This was very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So should I give you time to practice, or I should go for another lab, or do the lab in the next class? Which one? Our lab is practically finished. Our lab is practically finished. This part we will do when our lab number 5 and 6 are done. Because now you are not capable. You are not capable to understand this. Okay? You are not. What should I say? You are not ready to understand this. That's why it 4, 5, and 6. So, তুমি question করতে পারো স্যার তাহলে 4, 5 and 6 আগে করেন নাই কেন, right? You can ask me, sir, why you didn't do the 4, 5 and 6 first? Because you have understanding of 1, 2 and 3. So you can ask me, sir, why didn't you start from 1, 2 and 3? Because you do not have enough theory, theory base. Not. But my point, it is complicated. This course is not sequentially done. This is complicated and interlocked. That means you have to do this first, then go and then something like that. And I believe these parts are easier than 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3. So our lab number 7 is done. Should I go for lab number 9, or should I stop here to give you practice? Which one? Okay. Now we are going to do the subtractor. Okay, subtractor. Subtractor means you can subtract. Now again, this is exactly the same thing, but the logic is different. Now, how do computers subtract? How do computers subtract? Can anyone explain? Can anyone give me the idea how computers do that? How computers do that? Can anyone explain?
Truth complement.
Exactly. তুমি টিউশনে করো না?
Yes, sir.
এই জন্য পারলা?
না স্যার, এটা পড়ছি, জানি স্যার।
Exactly.
So
So
কত সেমিস্টার আগে স্যার এটা ছিল।
okay. So computer actually subtract by using 2's complement. Okay. What is 2's complement? 1 added with 1's complement, that is 2's complement. So I'm not going to go into the 2's complement, but I'm going to show you how computer does it. Now here, if I subtract these 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. If I subtract these, what will be the result? How do you do the subtraction? You do subtraction like this. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 0, it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0, right? Pretty simple. But computer cannot do this sort of simple application. No, he cannot. It cannot. So what it does actually? It actually uses 2's complement to do that. How to do the 2's complement? What do you mean by 2's complement? 2's complement is like this. A minus B, the operation for computer is these. A, because A is positive, so A will remain as A, no changes. But minus, since the computer cannot do the subtraction, so do no minus. In place of minus, what computer will do? A minus B will be A plus B bar plus 1. Okay, by the way, the MSB should be ignored. MSB should be ignored. Remember, no MSB. Okay. So what do I mean by that? A plus B bar plus 1. What do I mean by that? I will explain. Okay. Now here. So the A will remain as A. So this is your A. It will be like 1, 1, 1, 1. B will be, that means the minus B. The B means what? The whatever the number that is minus, that is our B. So this is our B actually. So it will be what? B bar. That means 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1. So with this 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 1. Understood, everyone? So B become B bar. And additionally, you have to add what? You have to add 1, 1, right? Extra 1. So I'm going to add one extra 1 here. So if we add them, now there is no subtraction. Previously, you have one subtraction, but now you do not have any subtraction. All of them are addition. Now, computer can do addition. It is easy for him. So let's do the addition. 1 plus 0 plus 1. What is the result?
0.
0. So next one into next place, right?
Yes.
So 1 plus 1 plus 0. What is the result?
0.
0. You have extra 1. That 1 will go to the next place. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the result? Right? 1. That another 1 will go to the next place. 1 plus 1 plus 0. What is the result?
0.
0, right? And
And 1.
you have one that will come here, right?
Yes, sir.
That is called MSB. That means the most significant bit. That MSB you have to ignore. Ignore means what? Ignore means what? You have to discard it. Okay, you have to discard this one. So your result, this result and this result, they are same, right? They are same, right?
Yes, sir.
This is called 2's complement. Now, what we have done here? What is the essential thing we have done? Here, what we have done, A is A. That means we didn't change anything in our A. Then, but we actually change our B to opposite. That means we use NOT gates, right? We use NOT gates in every bits. Here we use one NOT gate, another NOT gate, another NOT gate. So 4 NOT gates we have used. And one more extra thing we have done. That is we add an extra 1, right? We add one extra 1. In our addition, this 1 was not there. But now we have one extra 1. So you can see previously you have done the addition. You could have done it by using half adder, but right now you cannot do half adder. Here you have to use full adder because you have 3 inputs, 1, 2, 3. You have to use a full adder here because 1, 2, 3. You have to use a full adder here because 1, 2, 3. You have to use a full adder here because 1, 2, 3. Okay. So all of them will be full adder. Previously in your addition, there was no 3 bit, but here you have 3 bits. Okay. Understood? Now I'm going to go to the software and we'll show you. Here, this is the, oh, by the way, this will be ignored or grounded. Now I'm going to make the circuit. From the same circuit, I'm going to make the what? I'm going to make the subtractor. How to do that? Remember the B will be what? B will be negative, not, okay? Bar. 1 will be here. Let's call it here. Let's make it here. Let's make it here, okay? So B3 is bar, B2 is also bar, B1 is bar, B0 is bar. Okay, so A is A, but B become bar. Now, this bit was grounded before, but now we have to use 1. That means 5 volt. Okay, previously it was bar because there was nothing here. So no extra bit in our first case, but here we have to add one extra 1. So this is 1. And we have to ignore this bit as well. Ignore this bit. If we ignore this bit, this will be your result. So let's say 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, your result is what? 3. 9 minus 3, your result will be 6. 9 minus 5, your result will be 4. So this is 16. 16 minus 5. Now 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Can I see that? Can you see that, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sorry. এখানে যে C0 যেটা বাদ দিলাম ওইটা হচ্ছে স্যার MSB টা বাদ দিয়ে দিছি।
হ্যাঁ, this is our MSB. MSB we actually ignored. Okay, this was the MSB যেটা আমাদের আগে এখানে লাগানো ছিল। Previously it was connected, but we ignored it this time. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next case, what will be your assignment from this lab, these 2 lab? Next day, you have to combine these 2. Do not see this one. Okay, do not see this one. You do it by yourself. You have to combine these 2. That means the addition and subtraction. Because see, now I want to do the addition. এখন আমি যদি addition করতে চাই আমাকে কি করতে হবে? What I have to do?
পুরো সার্কিটটাই চেঞ্জ
Exactly. So we have to delete all the NOT gates. Then we have to change the connection. We have to delete this and we have to give a ground here. Then we have to connect these to our display, right? Then you can do the addition. তারপর যদি আমরা বিয়োগ করতে চাই, then we have to do it again. So we have to go back and forth. But I want you to design one circuit that can do both operation without changing anything. Okay? But you might have a button. Using that button, clicking that button, you will do addition. Unclick that, you can do the subtraction. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do it?
Sir, combination of 2 circuit and another additional button.
Exactly. So you have to combine these 2 circuit, adder and subtractor. Then you have to give one button so that I can do the addition and subtraction both whenever I want. If I want addition, I will click the button. If I want subtraction, I will unclick the button. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do not follow my lecture. There is a mistake here. Do not follow this one. Do it by yourself. Okay. So your lab, both of the labs are done, right? If you do this, if you can do the subtraction, adder and subtractor